Hey guys, welcome back to Mesha's Corner. It's now I think 9 a.m. in the morning. So this is what the bucket looks like right here. I'm going to attempt to sit it right on top of this bucket over here. If you haven't already, catch up with my previous videos so you can know what's going on. I'm actually about to make my it's not Thanksgiving, but my Thanksgiving turkey for you guys. So I'm about to pull it out and let it drain over here. Alright, you guys, so this is what the turkey looks like. First of all, it got fat as hell. It got fat as hell. You could tell it's like really, really brine. It picked up the tan color of the brining liquid. You want to toss that, by the way. Don't use it for anything else. So I'm going to let this drain. I'm also going to rinse this off just a tad bit. You want to, anytime you brine something, you want to rinse it off. So I'm going to rinse it off and let it continue to drain. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah. I decided to just go ahead and show you guys how I'm rinsing it off. That wouldn't make sense to rinse it while it's draining, right? Yeah, I know I'm slow. You don't need to rub it, wash it. You're not washing it. You're just rinsing off. Oop, the outside. That's all you're doing. Running under cold water. Excuse my little ghetto dish drainer. I don't have a bigger one. But see guys, this is why I broke up the video into 3 parts, because doing all of this would have took up a lot of time. Alright you guys, so now that I have my turkey here nice and rinsed off and drained, now I'm just going to stuff it. And what I'm stuffing it with is apples, onions, and garlic. Right over there you can see my friends. I'm on live. So see, if y'all came to my live, y'all would have caught this recipe before they did. Well, while they did. But now y'all gotta wait till this video come out. Alright, so you want to stuff your apples, onions, and garlic right down in here. I use 1 medium white onion, 2 Honeycrisp apples, and 5 large cloves of garlic. So you want to put it down in here, and that's all I'm doing. I'm also going to put some butter all over the turkey and some pepper. I'm not doing much to it. It's already extremely seasoned. So there's not much that you have to do at this point. So stuff it down in there. Make sure you save the giblets and the necks and all of that stuff so we can make gravy. Stuff it right in there. Anything that can't fit, just drop it in the bottom. Alright, so I'll come back once my butter is melted. Alright, you guys, so now I'm just going to take my melted butter. Isn't that cool? Y'all can see my people in the back. You'll take your melted butter, put it right over the turkey, all over the turkey. A lot of people use softened butter. But for me, when I try to put softened butter on any kind of poultry, it does not work out. It doesn't work for me. It works for everybody else. It doesn't work for me. Period. So I'm using melted butter. And honestly, this is not even the last step of the turkey anyway. So, but all I know is you need to get it everywhere. Everywhere needs to have butter. I'm going to pop this into a whopping, after I season it. This needs to be in a whopping 450-degree oven, covered for 1 hour. And then we're going to cut it back to 350 and cook it for another 60 to 90 minutes. That's when I'll be checking the internal temperature of my turkey. This is a 12.5-pound turkey. Get the butter everywhere, please. Alright, you guys, so quick little tip. For my wing tips, I'm going to use aluminum foil. I'm using aluminum foil to cover my wing tips. Cover. If you notice, I did not put any salt on my turkey. I'm not putting any salt on my turkey. It is up to you if you want to put salt. That's you. But I am not recommending putting salt on your turkey if you did the brine I did. The exact way I did it. Do not put salt. Someone's going to do it. Someone's going to do it. Someone's going to do it. Then they're going to get in my comments. Oh my God. Your turkey was so salty. And yeah. Someone's gonna do it. Alright, so cover this up. I actually want to spray my aluminum foil. I don't trust. Alright, you guys, so this is what the turkey looks like after 1 hour covered in the oven on 450. Now, I'm going to pop it back in the oven, uncovered, 350 for another hour. I'm going to check the internal temperature and move on from there. Alright, you guys, so this is what the turkey looks like. It's pretty much done. Now we have a lot of juices. Let me move up so you can see. I have juices in my pan, so I'm going to use that to make the gravy. The turkey is perfectly brown around all sides. And the temperature that I pulled mine was 167, which is fine. A couple degrees is fine. Yeah, it looks beautiful. The flavor is amazing. I tasted the little broth down in there. It's so flavorful. And as you guys saw before I put it in the oven, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything but add that little pepper spice on top. So, I'm going to transfer this to a plate and pour this off so we can make the gravy. Alright, y'all, the turkey neck that was down in my turkey, you want to sear that off and brown it on all sides. Brown it on all sides. Alright, once you brown it on all sides, you're going to add some onion. You want to cook that down for about 4 minutes or so. Then I'm going to add flour to my pot. Mix that up and cook that out for about 1 minute. Alright, after you cook the flour out for 1 minute, then you're going to take the stock, well, the juices from the pan. You're going to pour the whole entire thing down in there. Remember, this has to cook because the turkey is in there. This has to cook down for about 10-15 minutes. So it's going to reduce, it's going to thicken, and it's going to be perfect. So don't be alarmed. Just let it keep reducing. The only thing I'm adding to this is pepper. That's it. Because when I tell you the turkey juices are like the perfect seasoning as far as salt and flavor, I added absolutely no salt to actually cooking the turkey or I'm going to use for this gravy. So make sure you taste every single thing as you go, guys. Please. Alright, you guys. So this is what my turkey looks like. I put some oranges, lemon around the sides of the plate. Some fresh herbs on the side. A bunch of parsley right there. Just for, you know, presentation and showing a way that you guys could serve it on your Thanksgiving table. So it just doesn't just look plain. Plus, the oranges and lemons can be used on a turkey because it is in a turkey brine. And yeah, it's just so beautiful and pretty and so flavorful. I'm never making turkey ever again without a brine. So, I'm really impressed by that. I've never brined a turkey before. I don't think I ever brined anything. A wet brine anyway. And now this is the gravy right here. This is the consistency of it. I strained it. That's why you saw those big pieces of onions. I didn't care how I cut them because I knew I was going to strain it. It's optional. You don't have to strain your gravy, but it's convenient for when you serve it to people. They could just pour and go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. And yep, bye guys.